The market report, the market report. It's time to do the market report. What's going on, everybody? Derek here for eXp Realty. I'm a realtor, and I'm going to do the market report for December. So December 2022, the last day of the or last month of the year of 2022. Happy 2023, by the way. So thank you. If you're a subscriber, thanks for being a subscriber. I'm going to be doing a lot more videos this year on real estate as my schedule is now kind of leveled out. So excited to have you guys, and I'll be doing a market report every month, and other stuff will be coming out as well. So I'm excited about that. And let's get into this market report because it's been a little bit crazy, as you probably have heard in the real estate market. Let's see if the market report shows that it's also crazy here in Lebanon, Tennessee, because, you know, real estate is hyper local, and let's just get into this information because that's what you want anyway. So I'm going to clap my hands so I can sync up the audio with the visual of the market report that it will be in one of these corners here on my video. So ready? That's the, 3, 2, 1. There it is. Gotcha. I always forget that there's a bit of a delay here. All right. So let's talk about sales price. What's going on with these average sales price? So I've gone back 3 years. So the percentage that you'll see averaging goes back to like the high, these numbers over here to the right, bottom right. But this is Lebanon. You can see median and average. So the median is like the direct middle. So if there was 100, sales, this one just takes whatever's right in the middle. That's the median price, the middle price. So if 50 of them were $1 million and 50 of them were $3, the middle one would be either $3 or $1 million, but that's what it would show. The average takes all of them, adds them up, divides them in half. So here's the average. It's showing that the average sales price right now is $492,094. So it jumped up from last month. From November, it jumped up, which is interesting around the holidays, and you think that would continue to slide down. But I mean, we're down from May, but are we still high? And did we jump up? Yeah, we did. And here's the thing. I've been doing a lot of research about this Lebanon market because I've been like, when should I say this is the time? This is the time to buy. But the market here is very stable, and it has been historically. So we didn't see huge drops even back in the day, compared to national average in the 2008 and then the dot-com bubble drop. There wasn't as big of drops here in Lebanon, Tennessee. So that's good to know. Obviously, the market as a whole is coming down, and we'll see a little bit of that here in our market as well. Finally, getting back to that, what I would like to refer to as a normal market, just so y'all are aware. So sales price still up comparative. We're showing the median price jumped big. You're going to see bigger swings with median stuff, but 461, 540 was the middle sale there. All right. New listings. Also, this is all single family homes. So I've taken out like townhouses and condos and manufactured homes, stuff that would kind of generally drive the price. And this is just going to be single family homes. Just looking at those specifically. New listings are going to be down. Not a big surprise here, whether that is the market slowing down or because it's winter time and we're kind of waiting for like spring to pick up and more people to hit the market. You're going to see those new listings are going to be down for a multitude of reasons. And we see that, right? So even from our high, what month was that? June of last year was our high. We had 298 new listings. We are down to 187 this past month, and that's been a kind of consistent downfall for the last 6 months. I will continue to probably see that fall here for the next couple months, and then we'll probably start seeing a little bit more of an uptake in spring, just because that's when we kind of see more people looking to sell houses. End of school year, just lifestyle kind of stuff happens. So new listings are going to be down. That's not crazy, but remember that when the market comes down, when there's less on the market, demand kind of sometimes will tend to increase because there's less on the market. So all that being said, let's get into that. Homes for sale, obviously with less coming in, homes for sale are gonna be down as well. So this is total homes for sale, 332, and that's also been falling since August of last year. So pretty steady downcrease there. Once again, that's gonna mimic new listings generally. Pending sales, those are probably going to be down as well. They are. So these are ones at the end of the month, how many were under contract but hadn't closed yet. October we were 140. So top ever was December 2021, and we're down to 96 here. Closed sales also going to be down, right? Everything's kind of trending in that direction. So we're going to see closed sales down as well. Days on market. This is going to be interesting, and I looked at this earlier, and this is like I said, interesting. So the median days on market, so that middle number is 9, but the average is going to be 23. So we're getting back to that 1 month on market kind of time frame, which is very normal in a healthy market. Just so we're all aware, right? Having something listing for 1 day with multiple offers wasn't a normal market and wasn't necessarily a healthy market. If anybody has bought a house in the last 2 years, they know how unhealthy the market was, myself included. If anybody has sold a home in the last 2 years, it was great, but not healthy, right? So we're getting back to a normal kind of market. Now, this is going to be the time also when you have to start looking at realtors and go, are they just putting something up on the MLS, right? Are they actually trying to sell my house? So keep that in mind as we start seeing that days on market increase. You're really going to need a pro in there to help you sell your house, right? The longer the days on market, you're going to be like, hey, how come this home isn't selling? And as the market becomes more difficult to sell your house in, you're going to need somebody who's going to be able to find those things for you to get that house sold. So if you're looking for a pro, all my contact information is down below. All right, so days on market 23, obviously we're seeing that increase. Less buyers coming into the market. Obviously interest rates have an issue there, or raising interest rates are an issue. And people just kind of sitting on the side waiting for home prices to come down, right? So is that happening? If that's not happening, we might see those days on market increase until we start seeing home prices decrease. Let's take a look at that. Month supply, obviously with days on market increasing, we should see an increase in month supply. And we saw a little downtick, right? But has it increased from February of last year? Yes. Days on, or month supply 2.4. We're starting to get back to that healthy range. Is it healthy yet? I still think it's low. I still think we could see it increase more. Obviously with less homes coming into the market, obviously I think that's probably why we're seeing this downturn, right? The month supply, the amount of houses on the market is trending down. So there's not as much coming into the market, but people are still buying. So it's still kind of stripping our supply, right? So we're starting to see that a little bit as well. And we're not really even to, if you see days on market, we're not even to a month yet. We're at 24 days on market on average. So we're still not even seeing a month for average. So that's why that's starting to come down. So percentage of list price versus original price. These are going to kind of mimic each other a little bit. Obviously, we're seeing sales on average down, the list price down 98.6. So things are selling for below what people are asking, which is great. Percentage of original price also down. It did go up 1 month. That could just be an interesting, blip in the radar, but that's at 96.9. So we're almost down, we're down 3%. There. And you'll see that mimicked like national average, right? I think we're down 2% on average from original price, which is interesting. Original price did tick up in the month of December from 464 to 509 on average. Median price also has been climbing since October. Also interesting. So looks like prices have gone up, and now this could just be larger homes selling or hitting the market. But on average, we are seeing a uptick in prices here in Lebanon, Tennessee. So once again, I think signs of healthy market. We're not seeing this crazy drop, the 4, 5, 6% of what people have been. You've seen national, but because those prices are going up, we're seeing them sell for lower, obviously because of that percentage of original price that they're selling for. So buyers thinking, if you're moving into the area, you have a little bit of 4% right now on average, or 3% on average of getting those homes below what they're asking for. So keeping that in mind, that's exciting as it becomes a little bit more of a buyer's market. Now we did see the uptick here in price per square foot, obviously with the increase of the original price. price per square foot has ticked up as well. So we're at $218 per square foot, and that is the average, and then median is $214. So they mimic each other there pretty well as far as that cost. So when you're looking at a house, it's you know, a lot of that, the price per square foot is being driven by smaller homes also. So keep that in mind. The smaller the home, the more the price per square foot, because that's what people can afford with the raising interest rates. So there's a little bit of like issues, or not issues, but that's being driven by that. Larger homes are going to be going for a little bit less per square foot. So dollar volume in the market is down. So fewer buyers. Obviously, we'll see that in the winter months. This is going to be down from probably, September. Everything kind of starts dropping off, and that's not surprising. We'll start seeing that probably move up probably a few ticks here as the weather gets nicer and we start getting into, you know, springtime and people are moving and selling their homes, in summertime, all that stuff. So we'll probably see that tick up. But overall, once again, the Lebanon market is very stable. We're seeing that we're kind of getting back to a normal housing market, which is great. I think as a buyer, you're starting to see that you can get the home for a little bit less than what people are asking. So that's exciting. And for a seller, you're still getting a great amount, right? So I think for people, what they want to know is, hey, where do I sit as far as like, should I be buying a house or should I be selling a house right now? And the answer, I think, is yes. If you're looking to sell your house in this market, I still think it's a great market, a healthy market to sell your home in. Make sure you're getting a pro to help you sell that house. As far as a buyer's concerned, I think it's a great time to buy as well. Remember that the housing market here is stable. Even if we do lose some percentage points over the next few years, eventually interest rates are going to come back down. You can always refi, you know, a lower interest rate. And if you're looking to move long term, I also think that now's a great time to buy, because if it's long term, it's just like a stock, right? If you're going to hold on to it for a long time, really anytime's a good time to buy. The only downfall is not being in the market and not having something that you've owned. So, you know, timing the market is, you know, just like stocks, timing the market in real estate is going to be something that I'm not going to tell you to do. Obviously, if you're looking to move, I think you should move. If you're looking to sell or buy, I think now's a great solid time to do that, because who knows what's going to happen with any market at any given point. But that's the data that we have today. Moving forward, you have it, I have it. That's the RealTracs data from last month. And I'm excited to jump in and look at the data from next month, for January, for this month, and see where these numbers are starting to move to. If you have any questions about this, I'd love to hear questions, comments, concerns down in the comments below. I'll jump on and answer those. But that's your December market analysis for Lebanon, Tennessee for 2022. I got a lot to say about 2023. I kind of went into that, but you know, maybe that'll be for a whole nother video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, all the fun things that we do on YouTube to keep us doing this fun stuff. And if you need to get in touch with a realtor, or you just want to talk real estate, all my information is down below. Shoot me a text message. You can also find me at fitdadrealtor.com. Have a great rest of your day. Talk to you later.